Since I'm moving out of my parents' house, let's go look at apartments together and figure out which one I want to move into. I just got to the first one and I'm about to walk in. I will go ahead and say this place has a pet park, a pool, and it's supposed to have a gym, but it is important because I'm bringing my dog. So let's go see this one. Huge closet. Bathroom. Nice shower, very cute. Little balcony. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, so there's a bedroom and bathroom on this side, bedroom and bathroom on the other. The kitchen is really cute. And then on this side, you got a barn door for the closet. That's really neat. I like that. You got a little. This bedroom is smaller, and this is the bathroom with a shower. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. This is where I would walk my dog all the way down there. Coming back in, you see the bedroom, and then here's the closet. This is everything. Shower is really cute though. This place does have a beautiful pool area, which I really like, and the chairs in the water. On the way to look at number 3. Okay, so this is the lighter cabinets, not the oak, which is fairly cute. I really like that. And the bedroom also has floor-to-ceiling windows, which is really nice. And then coming out of the bedroom, you've got the bathroom, which has the white cabinets as well, and the shower. Closet, or yeah. So this is the gym area. Just left that apartment, and the 1-bedroom was like only 700 something square feet, and it was a little small, but I mean it's manageable. Apartment number 2 is next. Touring the 3rd apartment of the day, and I'm excited to see this one because this is a really quiet area. It does have a pool and everything, and this is their room. Bathroom. And this goes into the 2nd bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Big closet. Oh, really tall ceilings, by the way. And then this is the main. That's what that looks like. This is the waiting area, and that is the front desk. Isn't it so pretty in here? And that's the front door. It is so fancy here. The pool is like a runoff, and you can see the city. Oh, the closet is so nice. The bathroom's so bright. This is the dress of the day. This closet is so nice. All storage, LED mirrors as well. Same kind of shower. Coming out, this is the bedroom. And it looks over the pool. That's apartment number 3. This is the primary bathroom. And it's got closet storage on the side too, going out to the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed, just for reference. Living room, and then the kitchen. This is with the green. This is the view of Charlotte from this. Same notices with the lighter cabinets. And this is a little office inside the apartment. And then secondary bath with a 2nd bedroom. This is the primary suite. It just overlooks this building. And then all the way down there's pool because it's like top floor. This balcony is insane, but all the noise is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. Oh my goodness.
This is available for reservation. It's $2.50 per hour, or you can just have guests on deck. This gives the most sunlight all day. So we have lounge chairs out here. We have a fire pit.
Oh, a little like garden over there.
Happy hours every Thursday, 6 to 7.